Welcome, today with Xiaomi 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here scroll down. Find just there the wallpaper section and tap on that. Tap yes, agree, and as can you see, you can choose your lock screen or regular wallpaper from the local photos on your device, from the regular original photos, the live wallpapers, and also you can choose here this from online wallpapers. For example, I'll go in with this one and we will choose, for example, this wallpaper. Now just okay, tap to apply, and we want to change the lock screen wallpaper. Just tap here and we got here the message that wallpaper has changed successfully. Now we'll check that. Yes, that's really work. So if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.